Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to book a flight in Emirates and at the same time, how you can change the currency when booking a flight. So that's our main focus today, how to change the currency when booking a flight. So let's try to book a flight. Coming from Manila, we want to go to, let's say, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Departure date, let's select a good date. It's around summer. So let's make this one up to let's say 1 week. All right. And then search flights. Then here, automatically, this is our the price of our flight. So if you notice here on the upper left, upper right rather, corner of the screen, you can see change currency. So from dollar, we can change that. Let's say, let's search peso if they have. Yes, they have peso, Philippine peso. And then automatically this, depending on what flight you select, it'll appear here. So USD convert this $479.30 is automatically equivalent to uh this one and the other flight automatically it's converted to 55,000 pesos. So that is the total price. So let's select this one. Then going back, let's select this one. Click on that, and then automatically it's changed right here. So this is our total flight to Amsterdam, 101,533 pesos. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button so you can follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.